Welcome back to the bench on this next avatar repair, part 5 are we on now? So hopefully this is my redesigned power supply PCB made by PCBWay. It's always exciting and scary at the same time because you never know if you've made any mistakes. It's quite a long PCB, hence the packaging like this. Oh, it's exciting. Oh. Ah, some PCBWay stickers. Wow. Now that looks really good. So the idea is that it replaces this one. And do the holes line up? Look at that. That's only really the critical part of the design, obviously, in the IC footprint. So when I scaled it to, I think it was 3 inches exactly, it wasn't metric, obviously being in America, but from the image in the service manual, I was able to make this. You can see it's a direct replica. I think my ARP logo is better. My plan now then is to transplant any obtainium stuff onto the board. I've got a few other new resistors and I'm going to try and populate this with as much new stuff as I can. fantastic. No more burnt PCB. And the 2mm board is really holding up for the weight of the transformer as well. Really good. So, I might do a few resistance checks. That's what was left on the board. Let's brave it up and see if we can power it up. Okay, for the moment of truth, will it blend or will it blow up? Ready? Obviously I'm using my light bulb current meter just in case anything went short. But we have 15 and minus 15 volts. That is fantastic news. We'll just make sure nothing is getting hot. Pretty much the same as it was on the original board. And that's what's left on there. And I put modern footprints for preset potentiometers. So if we can see if we can adjust the voltage. So let's move this top one first. And they both go up and down. Let's move this bottom one. Okay, that's just changing the bottom one. So if I match that, and this is under no load at the moment, and you can see we can adjust with the top one. So I'll probably leave it at 15.2 plus or minus 15.2 for now. But what a success! So big thanks to PCBWay for making such a fantastic PCB. The 2mm thickness really helps with this weight of this transformer. And going for the 2-ounce copper for the power supply is a bit of peace of mind. So if you like that and you want to see what's next, we're going to recap the avatar itself. And I've managed to get some new sliders from the fantastic Synth Chaser, because I know a couple of them definitely need changing, and I'm sure we can find another couple of dodgy ones. And we also have to find oscillator 1 square, which was working fine in the first video, so I'm hoping that's just going to be a bad connection somewhere. So, subscribe and join in for the next episode. Catch you next time.